In these tutorials, I'm just going to take you all through some of the different tools and features that Canva offers for you all to use to create your graphic designs. So the first thing would be templates, okay? You can look at them here. So there are visuals of the different types of templates, newsletters, animations, Pinterest graphics, all sorts of different things. You can click create a design and it gives you a list of the different types of things you can make. Okay, and you can also search for something specific. I'm just going to click on infographic because I think I can show you a lot of the different things with that one. Oh, let me show you something else here. You can also choose custom dimensions. So if you, let's say you want something that would just print on a regular size sheet of paper, you want to change this to inches. So you would just put in the dimensions of the paper you wanted to print on and just click create a new design. And then it will give you the different options of templates that actually fit that size. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go back to my infographic. Okay, so here it's going to give you subcategories of infographics, so education, process, business, etc. That doesn't mean that you can't look through all of them to look for one that would work for you to use for whatever we are making at that time. Like it could be that a business infographic will work for one of our health projects. Okay. So then you just pick one. Let's go down here. Okay. It's going to give you the full view, so it's popped your chosen template onto your screen. I like to go up and title it. So let's say I'm making a alcoholism info graphic. Okay. And then in order to view it more closely, here's the zoom button. So I typically go back and forth between 75 when I'm working up close, and then when I want to see the whole thing, go down to 25 or 10, okay, so that you can kind of see what your layout looks in full. But you'll figure out what works for you. All right, so that is the template feature. So in the next tutorial, I will work on showing you guys how to use the photo feature.